Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith going a Corsair. Corsair Deluxe. So we're going to change the ribbon on this today because I need to do some work on it, including fixing this type bar that's bent. Won't even go into the guide, it's bent so bad. But we're going to change this ribbon. Get a lot of questions about these, so just take it out of the guide here. I guess I'll do a close-up when I put it back in of how it goes around this guide. And it's got these little smaller spools. Oh, they're stuck on here too. Got to wiggle, pull them straight up. Oh boy, that one's pretty tight. Wow, feels like it's gonna break. Ah, these spools suck. Alright, so let's get this one off. It's also very, very tight. Not my favorite typewriter ribbon. Okay, so we got the spools off. Since it doesn't, regular typewriter ribbon looks like that, it doesn't take the same spools. We have to remove this from its spools here. And this thing is dry. There's nothing in this ribbon. I can't believe how dried out it is. On these particular spools, they got a little clip here. A little C-clip in there. Right there. So you want to make sure you save that. This one will have a C-clip in here too. So let's get this ribbon out of here. Clip stayed in there, so it's in there right there. Just gotta get it out of there. So there it is. Throw the ribbon away. Take our new ribbon, disconnect it from the actual tooth, and then we just lay this in here and put that clip over it. It's got to line it up just right. Clip in there just carefully and squeeze it on there so it's in there like that. Then you just got to wind this all in. And I've got a winder, but I'm going to do it this way because a lot of people don't have a winder, so you can just spool it like this. I just wedged this on this. Got a little piece of rubber and a little taper there. You can put some tape on there or something. Get that to grab the spool and then just transfer it. Like I'm doing. It only takes a minute maybe. I'm not gonna speed this up any, so if you want to fast forward for 1 minute, feel free. But we're just gonna spin this on here real quick. Should have got the drill out and did it fast. Now the only trouble I've ever had with my ribbons is these are high quality ribbons with a lot of ribbon on the spool, and these are smaller spools, and sometimes they have a tough time accommodating the amount of length that are on these. You'll see it's going to come right to the edge. I'm trying to wind it on there pretty tight too, because otherwise it won't fit all the ribbon on there. So that's just about to the end. I can see the indentation of the eyelet coming up. So, and these do need an eyelet for reverse. So if you do wind a ribbon on here, make sure it does have an eyelet, or it's not going to work. There's the eyelet right there. So disconnect, reconnect. Spacer in there. A little tricky sometimes. Okay, so now we got a ribbon with an eyelet. Wind that eyelet in just a few inches, and we're going to put it back on the typewriter. Pull this guy up here and take a look. So we'll put the black on the top, put it through the little fork right there, and just put it down. There's a little, these have a little slot you got to line up with the slot there. It's tight fit. There's a little tiny little slot lines up with that little slot there. These spools are pretty tight. Yeah, pretty tight is right. Okay. Let's see if I can find it. Slots, there we go. Put it through the fork. So now let's take a close up here. How it goes in the ribbon lift area. So, goes in the back first. Past that little fork there's bent a little bit. Just gonna bend it up a little bit. Just got a little. Okay, put it in the back. And then just feed it through these end slots. Like that. Like that. Get that through there. Through there, and then just make sure it flows nice. Make sure it gets back in these little slots over here, these little places like that, right there, that little guy, and that should do it. So let's see how she types. Wash my fingertips off here real quick though, because I got some ink on them. Let's take a look, see what happens here. Looking pretty good. Let's try the red. Red's looking pretty good. Alright. Oh, these keys are sticking. Guess I'm going to have to fix that. Alright. Good D.